Hi, my name is Patrick Wick. I invented Tree Bandage. In this video, I'll be talking about tree care and the treatment of pruning wounds. Some of the oak trees you just saw are over 200 years old. These trees are very special to me and I wanted to give them the best possible treatment. About 30 years ago, Dr. Alex Shigo, a renowned biologist and plant pathologist, determined that tar and paint products would eventually crack and allow water to penetrate into the wound. This moist area provided a perfect environment for bacteria, fungus, and insects, all of which are detrimental to tree health. Because there was no viable alternative, the conventional wisdom has been that tree wounds should not be treated. For 25 years, I've been involved with silica research. Silica easily reacts with other materials, and I thought it might be used as a tree wound treatment. After a number of trials, I came up with a formula that quickly compartmentalizes the wound and allows callousing to completely cover the wound. The product I invented is called Tree Bandage. It's silica and water and is non-toxic, non-hazardous, and will not hurt plants or animals. It is easily applied to trees using a sprayer or brush, and cleanup is done by rinsing with water. It's not a pesticide, rather it creates a barrier to entry just like tree bark. The process is simple. When Tree Bandage is applied to the wound, it penetrates about 1/4 of an inch into the tree. It's not just a coating, but actually becomes part of the tree. After penetration, the silica reacts with the natural materials in the tree to form a quartz shield. The wound is quickly compartmentalized. This allows the tree to use its energy to produce new growth to cover and protect the entire wound. And because it quickly penetrates and forms the bandage, you can apply it even if it's expected to rain. When you use Tree Bandage, it's perfectly all right to trim bushes that are flowering because the Tree Bandage will stop the fluid loss virtually on contact. Now here we're going to trim this one. Again, we get to a junction point where there is another leafing coming out from the main stem, and we're going to do a collar cut right below that level, just like that. Now we're going to spray that, which will stop any fluid loss. Here you can see one of my 200-year-old oak trees. Notice the large branch on the ground that was trimmed from the main trunk in 2001. It's about 20 inches in diameter. The two largest pruned areas were immediately treated with Tree Bandage. These next two photos show the pruned areas 8 years after Tree Bandage treatment and are calloused over. The callousing is so complete that it is difficult to see the original pruning cut. The last pictures are of a Bradford pear tree that was pruned in December of 2012. They were immediately treated with Tree Bandage. The next pictures show two of the areas 3 years later, and the new growth has completely covered the original wound. The last photo shows an area that was not treated with Tree Bandage and has not calloused over. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to watch my other videos on animal damage and storm damage to trees. You can find more information on our website at www.treebandage.com. Thank you.